Smarty Builder Review, your best site builder and more. Smarty Builder is a groundbreaking smart e-commerce technology that effortlessly creates eCom sites that are tailor-made to generate maximum profits. It does this without any technical or design skills. With no experience required and absolutely no monthly fees. Our platform supports both digital and physical products and connects directly to Stripe and PayPal to avoid middlemen fees. It also includes a full CRM including chat system. This is ideal for beginners as you can easily create digital downloadable products all under one shareable link whilst tracking sales and revenue inside the dashboard. A key feature of Smarty Builder is the free buyer traffic add-on that we are offering to all members who purchase during the launch period. This will allow beginners to start sending traffic to their e-com sites right away without paying for ads. Set up once, get paid over and over, no monthly fees or expenses, perfect and made easy for beginners, all-inclusive solution with no monthly costs or extra tools needed, pandemic-proof business that keeps on growing. Smarty Builder. Some of the features included are full access to the Smarty Builder platform and free buyer traffic add-on. This will allow anyone to effortlessly create a profitable e-com site with digital or physical products all under one shareable link. The free buyer traffic add-on will allow the user to send traffic to the site without the need for buying ads. Easy setup and management. Simply create an account, set up your store and publish in minutes. Manage sales conveniently. Rich analytics system. Measure your growth, track sales, manage views and other detailed analytics right from your dashboard. Multiple payment gateway options. Choose from a variety of available payment options that suits you and receive payments easily. Add your social media links. Let your visitors link directly to your social media pages by simply adding your preferred links to your store. Create an account. Simply create an account, set up your store and publish in minutes. Manage sales conveniently. Post your products. Create items you want to showcase on your products and set your all-important products as much as you need. Start sharing, share your store link on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, anywhere and boom, that's it. Here is what is included. Adds custom branding, advanced stats, verified badge, social links to your profile, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, multi-domain, ecom.clov, digital.com, one blogs, unlimited products, unlimited custom domain. When you buy this product I will give you a bonus. But really you don't need a bonus. Because all you need is Smarty Builder and you're good to go.